And this cell is actually investigating the reduction of the cementitious content in concrete.
So they're constructing optimized mixes with low cementitious. Most of our mix designs are about 570 total cementitious, 400 cement, 30% fly ash. And what we challenge them to do is do 500 pounds total cementitious and 470 pounds total cementitious is what their mix designs ended up at. So they have minimum of 350 pounds of cement in the lowest cementitious mix design.
And what we are investigating is how low can we go and still maintain or achieve a durable concrete.
And so they also are requiring a well-graded aggregate. We required the tarantula curve. And so these mix designs are using 1.5-inch rock, and they are well-graded aggregate mix designs. So the point is to just see the contractors are nervous to go that low because of strength, and they need their strength so that they can keep going with their construction. So up in the northern states, Minnesota, spring and fall, they get a little more nervous if they've got less paste in it.
But what I'm doing particularly now, because that will affect somewhat the thermodynamics of the concrete, I'm downloading the maturity of this concrete. Now by maturity we refer to the progression of the strength gain. It's more or less a thermodynamic thing because there's hydration reaction which brings out a lot of heat. So we use the heat signature to determine the extent to which the concrete is maturing. We'll program this for 28 days and have a representation of how this concrete progresses over time. And we will do the same for the other subsection that has a slightly higher cementitious content.